Hello everyone, my name is Thor and welcome back to Anthropology. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I have an exciting travel related one. For those that have never seen my face before, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay enough to subscribe, like this video, comment anything down below. For those that are returning viewer subscribers, I hope you enjoyed this one as well. This will be another luggage related video for those that can't tell from the thumbnail and from the title. But today we do have a video kindly sponsored by friends of the channel, Level 8 Luggage. They reached out asking if I would be interested in creating some more content for them. And I said, of course. I've worked with Level 8 Luggage in the past on a few occasions. I'll link my other videos down below, primarily with their carry-on luggage. But as Robin and I have some long haul trips planned for the future, primarily next year with our honeymoon and for Christmas in New Zealand 2025, I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to get some check-in luggage to share with you all, as well as some packing cubes, do a little demonstration, provide a discount code for those that are looking to travel and need some luggage. So today we're going to be talking about the Grace Check-in 28 in black, as well as the 4 packing cube set that you can get. So all of this is available on Amazon. I'll link the products down below, as well as a discount code that Level 8 has provided me. So feel free to use it for some money off, and let's get into today's video. Okay, I'm going to clip this here. Hopefully this works. I'm going to start off with the luggage. It's quite large, so let me just put it where I'm sitting. So this is the Grace 28 Check-in in black. It also does come in a very, very nice blue color. It does have some cat fur on it, so while it is black, it will soon turn white. This luggage retails for $249.99 Canadian. Comes on Amazon. It is lightweight and sturdy, made of a PNC, so polycarbonate and ABS material, as well as it has metal aluminum on the 4 top corners, which I really like. It's very reminiscent of the hybrid rimowas. For those that are familiar with that range, they have a nice aluminum on those corners. Corners, as you know, if you've seen from my rimowa wear and tear video, receive a lot of the damage and wear, because obviously that's where the impact will be when the luggage, especially check-in luggage, is being moved around the carousels, being slid down the ramps and whatnot. Having the aluminum on the corners is a really nice, luxurious touch as well. It has a 3-layer micro diamond texture, which helps with scuffing. It helps with showing any type of wear, keeps it really nice and durable. And it has 8 360-degree wheels. This is obviously the bottom of the luggage. You can see that each set of wheels has 2, and they rotate 360. They also have a nice aluminum pegs apparently in them, so they are quite sturdy. But I really like 360-degree luggage, just because it makes rolling around a lot easier, especially check-in luggage, because it's so heavy. On the front, we just have Level 8 there, some very light branding. It has a nice handle here, as well as one on the top, as well as a TSA lock. On the back, it has a multi-layer telescopic handle, which makes it very, very easy to use. And you can do it for a few settings. Obviously, first setting, second setting, third setting. On the side as well, it just has 4 feet if you want to store it a little bit away. And then it also has a seam protector right here, which is very, very nice indeed. Now, the dimensions of this luggage are 30.7 inches in height, 20.5 inches in width, and 11.8 inches in terms of depth. It weighs 11 pounds, and it has a capacity of 104 liters. According to the Level 8 team, it is perfect for 7 to 10 days of travel, and it also comes in a really nice carry-on, as well as a expandable carry-on with a pocket in the front. I'll put classic. You just open it like so. Okay, so on the inside, we have a lot of different compartments. Obviously, a very large compartment here with a strap that you can adjust. Inside, we have another large compartment with a component like so. You can open this up and you get some stickers to input your name or put whatever you want, which is really nice. And then what I do really like about Level 8 is that a lot of their products, they really touch the branding everywhere. So there's branding on the zipper, there's branding on the inside. It's really well done. They really think of everything. Nice sturdy zipper pulls there. So what's really nice is that they also come with a 2-year warranty. Obviously, this is a manufacturing limited warranty, so if there's any problem that's caused by manufacturing defects in the material or workmanship, Level 8 will, in their own discretion, fix or replace the product in accordance with the warranty terms. You can read more about the warranty terms on their website. I also prefer, if I'm going to do a check-in, that it is hard-sided. I don't like soft-sided luggage. I think that, especially if it gets rainy or anything like that, that's not good. So it's important to have hard-sided luggage, especially if you are checking it in. So Level 8 also sent me this Level 8 4-piece organizer set. This has 4 different types of components in it. It is lightweight polyester as well as water repellent. And inside we have 1 large one, we have 2 smaller ones, and then an extra large one here. So packing cubes are important, I would say, because it's really nice to, if you have things that, say you want to pack dirty laundry, but you want to keep it separate, you can put it in one of these, in a packing cube. If you have something that's, say, more delicate that you want to put by itself, you can maybe put it in something like this, which is a cosmetics pouch. So on the inside of this one, it has a variety of different, I guess, mechanisms that you can use. This one is really nice because it has the nice Velcro attachments there that you can input to make it so you have separate compartments for things, and it does just sit nicely like so. It has a nice handle. And then it also has a smaller packing cube here. This one, it says for electronics. This one, it says for washing. So it's really fun that they put little symbols on them so that you can sort of figure out which to use which one for. Obviously, you can do whatever you want with any of these, but it is really nice to have packing cubes that you can store stuff in. So what do they say? Made of high quality material with sturdy stitching, durable and convenient, well padded design to keep full bag's shape and provide great protection, spacious compartment to hold ease access to your travel items and keep your items well organized to highlight your trips. They also recommend rolling your pieces to put them in here if you have some more delicate shirts or whatnot, to keep everything all nice and sturdy. This is the up close of it. It has a nice water repellent type feel to it. So these packing cubes retail for $49.99 Canadian. They can be found on Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please look at some of Level 8's products down below and use the discount code right here to get some money off of your order. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Level 8, for sponsoring this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.